feed them. But none of every time energy we no give them. Them want we things like a feed them. Never want we feel rise but if we forbid them. Say all them a do, all them a chat chat. Say all them a do, all them a chat chat. See all them a do, all them a chat chat. So hello my beautiful souls, welcome to my channel. This is Deepa. So in today's video, I cleared out a lot of my skincare, makeup and all of that. So I'm here to show all that I decluttered. I'm also going to tell you will I buy it again and all of that. So stick along with me. So firstly, I have the huge bag right here. So we're gonna get started. So firstly, I have is this trio by Glam Veda. Sadly, let me tell you, this was shoved in one of the drawers that I didn't use at all, and the expiry is also over. So it comes in a 3 set. So this is rice and ceramide glass skin face wash. I'm so sad. This is the reason I decided I'm gonna use, like, I'm gonna show you here. I, ditched on the IKEA closet organization and I went for this one. And from when I started using this type of organization, I'm using up all my skincare products, even the ones that I got from UK and Thailand. So yeah. So yeah, it comes in a set. This is the peel off mask. These are new. You can see still the seal, but the expiry is done. So yeah, that's the harsh truth. And this is the facial kit. So you have a 6 step facial kit. So this one, I have tons of skincare right now. So this is in my wish list. I'm making a list that I want to try, and this one is one of them. So this is the Glam Veda V-Town combo. So it comes with a face wash, peel off mask, facial kit. So I highly suggest you can get this. It comes in a very good decent size. So yes. Okay, so moving on, um, I also have, the plum hair mask. I absolutely don't like it. Yeah, I'm somebody with so much hair, and I'm telling you, this didn't work for me. It made my hair like itchy and all of that. So I don't like this. There are many people who like this, but it didn't suit me. So I'm not gonna buy it again. Yeah. So moving on, this is the Nika Clay Cool Perfect Glow clay mask. I'm not much fan of this, but I absolutely love the blue variant and the detox black variant. So I don't think I'm gonna buy this again because I didn't feel like this did anything much to me. So I already have an extra of the anti acne that also works as a brightening. So that is bomb, the blue one. So absolutely not. I'm not gonna buy this. So next one that I'm discarding is this Kadi neem oil. Kadi neem oil. This is good. So if you're having itchy scalp and all of that, this is very good. But it's there from almost 3 years. So now I would just want to discard it. Will I buy it again? No. But I love the Tulsi variant a lot. So moving on, let's see what else we have. So the next one I can see is the Plum Glow Getter face mask. I like this. Yeah. But the expiry is done, so I want to discard it away. Will I buy it again? Yes, I think so because I liked it. Yeah. So moving on, let's see what else we have. So, oh my God, I absolutely love this. And I got this from UK. It's the Victoria's Secret Velvet Petals. And the smell of this, dude. So this is this is the Velvet Petals SOL. This is bomb. I used it up completely. So I love the smell of this, especially I was using this during the winter months. It also holds and gives you a lot of warmth. So yeah, absolutely loved it. I'm gonna buy this again. Yes. So moving on, let's see what else we have. Yeah. So the next one I'm getting rid of is the Good Vibes Detan Glow Face Serum. So this is with Uptan. So you know that in purple you also have this stunning, like you have Good Vibes. You have all these brands that are very famous as Goodness. So these are exclusively in the purple website. But this one would I buy again? No. But I did try 2, 3 times. I felt like it didn't suit my skin so great. So I'm gonna discard this. So moving on, let's see what else we have. So, okay. So this one is the Refreshing Facial Vibes Jasmine. And this is from a brand called Half and Half. I actually liked these. These are makeup remover wipes. So will I buy them again? Yes, they're affordable and they're travel friendly. So I travel a lot. So that time this comes in handy. So I am buying this. There are different variants as well.
So I'm gonna try and get, of all I like this variant. This one is the, I think, so this is the floral variant. So I'm gonna get it. Yeah, I would. This one I like. Yeah. Okay. So the next one we are discarding. This is expiry done. This is Dot and Key Skincare Pollution Defense Green Clay Mask. So this is okay, not so great. But you can definitely, if you're just starting into clay mask and all, you can get this. Yeah. So I don't think I'll get again. Over this, I actually prefer the Nika Anti Acne Mask. Yeah. The next one I'm getting rid of. Sadly, the expiry of this is done last year only. So this is the simple clay mask. So I did use this a couple of times, but I'm not much fan of it. Yeah. So if you have sensitive skin, I think you can go for simple. So I'm on the drier side. This is okay. Like it's a travel friendly, and if you want to just detox a little, you can get this. Yeah. So moving on. Oh my God, I absolutely don't like this. I'm a huge fan of Priyanka, but I don't like this. So this is the Anomaly Dry Shampoo. This gave me the worst dandruff. Absolutely don't like this. So it's still so full. So I'm discarding this. I don't like it. Okay. So the next one is the what I'm discarding is the K Beauty Kajal. I don't like this. I actually like Sugar or Plum one better than this. So this one also, I don't think I'm gonna buy again. I do like other variants, other makeup products from K Beauty, but not this one. Yeah. So the next one I'm discarding or I'm done is the Garnier Skin Natural. So Garnier is one of the best micellar water, but I don't think I'll get the oil variant again. I'm almost done. So this is done. So it's a travel friendly. I want to get the plain micellar water from next time. Yeah. Also, sadly, I could not try this, but the expiry is done. This is the tomato sheet mask, which I'm planning to buy again. So I'm gonna check this out. Yeah. So let me know if you guys tried this. And I never tried tomato in the sheet mask, so I was very inquisitive to try this. I got this from UK, by the way. And I'm also discarding. This is a makeup brand that makes sanitizer for makeup products. I didn't feel much any difference. So yeah, I'm discarding this also. So yeah. So that is it for this video. Let me know what in these you tried or you like them or you don't like them. So stay tuned for part 2 where I'm going to cover more products. So yes, until then, this is Deepa bidding a bye. Bye guys.